The Life of Love by Kahlil Zibran. Spring. Come, my beloved, let us walk amidst the knolls, for the snow is water, and life is alive from its slumber, and is roaming the hills and valleys. Let us follow the footprints of spring into the distant fields, and mount the hilltops to draw inspiration high above the cool green plains. Dawn of spring has unfolded her winter-capped garment, and placed it on the peach and citrus trees, and they appear as brides in the ceremonial custom of the night of the cadre. The sprigs of grapevine embrace each other like sweethearts, and the brooks burst out in dance between the rocks, repeating the song of joy. And the flowers bud suddenly from the heart of nature, like foam from the rich heart of the sea. Come, come, my beloved, let us drink the lust of winter's tears from the cupped lilies, and soothe our spirits with the shower of notes from the birds, and wander in exhilaration through the intoxicating breeze. Let us sit by that rock where violets hide. Let us pursue their exchange of the sweetness of kisses.